All right, you ready to see this beauty? But the weird thing about this house is it's a small house, 1,600 square feet, but it has 4 bedrooms and it only has 1.5 baths. Oh my gosh, your backyard is literally staring at the neighbor.
Look at this. What? Oh, come on, come on.
A lot of damage going on here. Just to rebuild this patio right here, put up a new fence, we're probably looking at, $5 grand?
Yeah, at least.
Oh!
So weird that the laundry's outside.
This thing's about to collapse. Oh no.
Welcome home. Looks like a kitchen to the left. What's this room on the right?
Ew.
Do we have a cat house on our hands?
I hate cat houses. I always bring home like a new species of flea on myself.
Okay, so this is a bedroom. A couple grand in here, nothing crazy.
A lot of fur in here.
Do me one favor. Walk around, let me know if you feel any big lumps.
Oh, no, thank you.
So this bedroom enters into the kitchen?
Oh my, it smells so bad.
Oh my God, this kitchen is tiny. I think cosmetically in here, we're looking at 8 to 10,000, but if the house needs a repipe, we're looking at thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a dining area here and it's open.
It's very dark.
Look, fireplace, that's nice. What's gonna get expensive is removing all this paneling, because we're gonna have to put new drywall, new texture, new taping, new mud, everything.
Oh, God. Oh.
I mean, that's probably at least 1,500 bucks.
Those screens are kind of cool, but
That for sure can be removed. This is a huge transformation.
Oh no.
What?
This is the bathroom.
What? This is the only bathroom?
No, the house is 1.5 baths. That's more like
It's a quarter.
bath.
That's disgusting.
Okay. Bedroom number 1.
So why do they have a Dutch door in the bedroom?
The red room.
Oh God, I can't imagine what went down in this room. I thought that was an animal. Okay, well yeah, lots of work in here. Okay.
A couple $1,000. I don't see any space that we can take to
What is
like
this?
open
Another
up
closet?
the floor plan. Yeah.
There's carpet in the bathroom. I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, you gotta see this.
Oh my God. I can't believe this costs over $400,000. This is
$50,000.
crazy.
So here's what I'm thinking. We remove this double vanity, toilet, full-size shower. It's probably gonna cost us $8,000 to $9,000.
Actually making my stomach hurt.
But I'm gonna just go on a limb here and assume we have plumbing damage. So we're probably an extra $3 grand in plumbing to fix everything.
It's so gross. Bedroom number 3.
They all have Dutch doors. That's cute.
This one looks like a grandma's room.
So this bedroom's pretty good size. Remove all the wallpaper, scrape the ceilings, new light, new closet. A couple grand, it'll look brand new. This is a really good sized bedroom too. The bedrooms are really good size. After some back and forth negotiations, we got the house for $415.
do we have any idea what the bid's gonna come back at?
Jeff's inside right now, so we're gonna find out. It's
Hi.
old.
Hey. Morning, guys. So we're gonna be looking in the mid-90s on this. You've got electrical issues, you've got plumbing issues, we've got to put fences in, and this is on top of just a standard remodel. Look at these windows, these things are ancient. That doesn't include any structural changes.
So that number's gonna go up.
This whole house is such a disaster.
Hey, look at the carpet's new under there. The
No.
dresser's been there for a while.
I feel like everything in this house has to go, but there's one thing that I think should stay. And it's these little panels right here. I was thinking we could paint them and display them in the house because I was thinking it'd be cool to do like a retro design here.
That would actually be really cool. If we kept these, we framed them, we put them up on the wall right there when we're selling the house, that would be really cool.
All right, awesome.
Oh, look at that, we got a raised ceiling. Woo.
Oh wow.
This is awesome.
Your kitchen is coming together.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
That looks terrible.
Why is that like that?
That's gotta be the laundry.
Weren't we supposed to do like uppers and lowers here or something? Now you can't even put cabinets on this wall. We just ruined the whole house.
Well, we're gonna have to do something. That's not gonna work. There's no kitchen.
Sometimes when you're designing a small space, you solve one problem and it causes another problem.
So if we make the closet smaller for these back bedrooms, we can have a stackable here.
You're gonna have to rerun everything. You've got vent lines and everything else that runs up through there already.
How much is all this gonna cost?
Maybe 2,500?
We can't leave the kitchen like that.
All right, well, come here real quick. How much smaller are these closets gonna be?
It's probably gonna go to about here. So you end up having like a 5-foot closet.
That's fine.
We're gonna have to do it. What a bummer. Look at this kitchen. Looks great.
Walk in there, pretend like you're putting away your groceries. I'm so glad we got rid of that weird bumping from the laundry. That was terrible.
It cost us some money, but it was definitely worth it because
Yeah.
it's finally looking like a super kitchen. Beautiful. Ready to see this new master bathroom? Check out my tile.
I think it's cool. It's different.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're gonna do that really amazing wallpaper in here along the back wall. And I think between the tile and wallpaper, it'll kind of give it that like retro feel that the house had before. And Taylor helped me choose it, so hopefully you like it.
Taylor let you choose it, I have to approve
I
it.
texted to you. You approved it, so don't say you didn't approve it.
What color is it?
Pink.
It's blue. You know what we need to figure out too? Our patio. So how much would it be to build a new deck and how much would it be for a concrete patio?
So if you guys want to do concrete patio the same size as what the deck was, you're looking at $2,500. If you want to rebuild the deck that as it was existing, you're looking $3,200.
So it'd basically be stairs going down to a concrete patio over there out of the master or a deck.
New concrete, new fence, nice grass. I think that's perfect. Let's just do the concrete.
All right, concrete it is.
That actually looks really, really cool, and I love that color.
So basically, I'm gonna frame both of these and put them on the wall like art.
I like that. I think it's a great idea.
I also grabbed some tile for the fireplace. I was
see.
thinking this one, straight set, cover the brick, and these cement tiles on the hearth, and I like the blue.
I like that for the hearth because it really goes well with the flooring.
For the outside of this house, I'm going with light gray stucco, dark gray siding, navy blue trim, and I have a fun idea for the front door.
Yellow? That's not good. I already know that's gonna look terrible. Well, it's too late now.
Can you show me it?
Look at the paint colors. It looks really, really nice. Even the yellow front door looks kind of cute.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
Oh, it looks so freaking good in here.
Looks so pretty.
Look at that.
That kitchen looks so amazing. I love the cabinet color.
Hi, baby, I miss you. I want to show you the kitchen that your mommy and daddy did.
Oh, that's pretty.
Look at the size of the room.
Oh wow, it's huge.
Now let's see the new bathroom. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Oh my gosh, just the wallpaper's everything.
It is gorgeous. Bedroom number one, super cute, mid-century modern staging, nice design. Bathroom. Well, the house goes on the market this weekend. I hope we're priced right.
$650.
What do you say, handsome? 650?
$650.
All right, 650. Love you, handsome. Bye.
Bye.
Well, it looks like we priced the house right because after just a few days on the market, we received multiple offers which created a bidding war. We ended up selling the house for $700,000, which is $50,000 above list.